Chelsea kwenu. Chelsea kwenu. Chelsea kwenu. Kwenu. Hell. Chelsea dey give me joy. Like Chelsea dey give me joy. The vibe. See football from that World Cup, Club World Cup up to now. Chelsea never lose match. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey sup? Chelsea never lose match. Apart from losing against Flamingo up to now, Chelsea never lose match. Wetin dey sup? See kudos to Enzo Maresca first of all. Kudos to Enzo Maresca for taking care of these players, for putting them in the right track. A very congratulations to Chelsea for winning AC Milan yesterday. The pressure is too much. Pressure is too much. Home goal by them. Red card again. Wow. What the person that get red card is still score home goal. Pressure too much. You wan stand Jamie Gittins? Him go comot you for road. You go get foul. You go get red card.